look, looking with all the investors, with all the giant corporations that I work with, if there is something that you have just described that are doing in a completely different way, is your idea of customer centricity. When you say that you bring to the customer also not only the marketing, but especially the developers, this is exactly what a giant corporation they are not doing at all. And this is one of the foundational practices, technical practices of extreme programming, where in extreme programming, indeed, there is not the concept of product owner. It's the market, it's the customer itself that is telling you, hey, buddy, I have this problem and I need this solution, and we build it together. And the customer is putting connection directly with the developers. In the big corporation, you have processes, hierarchy, roles, big brands that go with their executive team or their chief product owner to discuss about a need. But this need never comes to the fruition because it's stopping the process with the wireless phone dysfunction. And so what you just said is indeed one of the traits that is creating high performing or even elite performing organization. And if you don't have it, you start running with a limping leg. And a lot of organizations, they don't understand it. And you were talking also about corporation. A big corporation, differently from a mid-sized company, they went through so many rounds of funding that to take a decision that is avoiding processes to make it leaner is almost impossible because there are so many voices in the boardroom and so many layers of management to organize and manage the company and its dysfunctional behavior that is unbelievable. And here, I guess, we have touched the word that I love the most, behavior. Because from the latest research, it's clear that there are specific behaviors that are driving elite performance. And so I'm eager to understand with you, which are, in your opinion, the behavior in speech that are creating the three pillars of elite organization. So customer centricity, human-centric organization when employees are more than numbers, are family members, are shareholders in a lot of these organizations, and technical excellence. What do you think is the secret behavioral recipe that is creating the environment in speech to being able to destroy Goliath?